I need to make a knob out of a wooden bead like this. This is my new wooden bead, and I need to drill a hole very precisely on the equator of this. So how do I do that? Well, I've got a couple quick and dirty ways. Let me show you. So what I've done is I've gotten some light colored sewing thread and I've wrapped it through this ball, and I've marked each end point. I don't know if you can see, there's a little blue dot there and a little blue dot there. What I'll do is I'll go remove the thread, measure with a ruler, mark the center point, put the thread back, and then I'll be able to mark the equator of the ball. So let me go off and mark the thread, and I'll put it back in there and show you what I mean. Here it is. There's one mark, there's the other mark, and then there's the center mark, and then I'll put it back in the ball. I've replaced the thread in the ball, and there's one blue mark, there's the other blue mark, there's my center mark, and I've marked the ball with the equator, so I'm ready to drill a hole there. If you have more than one ball you need to find the equator on, the easiest thing to do is put them on a relatively tightly fitting shaft, something that they'll rotate, but whatever. Find a dirty surface like this rusty metal plate and roll them along on it like this, and you can already see that the equator is marked all the way around. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so those are my two methods of marking the equator on a ball like this where you need to drill or do some other process. Hope you find it interesting and useful in your home DIY projects.